Precision Manufacturing, CNC, Machining Workshop for Centrifuge.
Hello everyone, I'm Young Jin Tao, Sales Director of our domestic market. In the previous episode, our International Department Manager, Mr. Meng, introduced the Material Preparation Workshop. In this episode, I'll be showing you our CNC Machining Workshop for Centrifuge. Before we begin, let's take a look at several products manufactured in this workshop. This is our decanter centrifuge designed for offshore drilling platforms and high-temperature environments. Here, you can see its rotating ball. This is our three-phase decanter centrifuge, used in the environmental protection industry. What you're seeing now is its core component, the stainless steel bowl. This one is our decanter centrifuge designed for mining wastewater treatment and shield tunneling projects in urban construction. Take a look, this is its bowl. All three centrifuge bowls you've just seen are precisely machined in our core machining workshop with high precision and accuracy. Now, let's take a closer look inside. This is our #1 workshop, CNC Machining Workshop. Now let's take a closer look inside.
Here are large-scale CNC machining lines. These machines are capable of performing high-efficiency, high-precision CNC turning of shaft and sleeve components, ensuring the consistency and reliability of our core parts. Our modern and large-scale production workshop is the front line where GN fulfills its commitment to precision manufacturing. The workshop is clean, well-organized, and every detail reflects GN's strict standards of management and quality control. We insist on using top-tier intelligent equipment from leading domestic and international brands, providing a solid guarantee for the quality and stability of our products.
A powerful equipment cluster, a mature process system, and the spirit of continuous improvement together form the foundation of GN's outstanding quality.